There's a quiet slice of heaven just a little outside Metro Manila, where the fresh air sings a lullaby with the trees, and all you can hear is your happy heart swinging to a great game of golf. Let your family commune with nature, with the best of nature, where its vibrance is paired with the beautiful amenities, like springs, a revitalized water park with a pool filled with natural spring water. Here, you don't have to travel far to frolic under the sun with a family. Make long-lasting memories right at your backyard, amidst a mesmerizing backdrop covering 640 hectares. It's you, your loved ones, the greens, and a spacious home. Live with the best of nature, only in Eastland Heights.